dysfunctional vet. I previously reamed this, and I'm getting ready to ream this one and the one down here on this end, which I'll be cutting off and taking care of. But I want to show you the process of this. Now, the reamer that I'm using is this thing right here. There are better ones, but there's none that do 1/2 inch. All of them are a lot bigger than that, and my guess is that the 1/2 inch size is not something that these people think is very common. In my case, my entire cabin, everything I have 100% is 1/2 inch, with the exception of the casing for the well, which is 2.5 inches. But everything else is 1/2 inch. The line that comes from the pump is 1/2 inch. Line that comes off of the pump, 1/2 inch. Everything's 1/2 inch. A lot more people use 1/2 inch than I think these people realize, and there's a good market for a better quality reamer. Normally what I do is I use one of the pinch cutters. I use one of the pinch cutters for this, but because I want to show you how I'm doing this, I'm going to cut it a lot more flush. You will probably need some kind of a vise for this. Let's drop it down a little bit further. Get a little more bite on it. There we go. Put this in. Now this has a spacer which allows a little bit of play. I don't like that. I'll probably eventually change that. Press down, let up, press down, let up, press down, let up. Get the stuff out of the way. Ouch! By the way, it does get hot. Friction causes heat. Now, normally what I do is I take a razor knife and I cut all this stuff away. I just don't happen to have it out here. I was actually working on a solar project when I decided to make this video. This will fit in there. It's very tight, but it does fit. Like I say, there are better reamers out there, but none for 1/2 inch. I paid about, I think, $11 for that on Amazon. And given the cost of these things and how many I have from all the projects that I've just experimented with, and then so I'm going to get all these pieces back, everything for the last 10 years that I've saved. Dysfunctional vet out.